Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around with great fuel efficiency and with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area slash third row area, because you do have seating for 6 in total in this vehicle with their own cup holders and everything back here. Or you can fold them flat for a ton of cargo room, and you even have power controls here to do so, and a 12-volt power outlet, and still plenty of room in behind the third row of seats for whatever other cargo you might want to put back in here. And then the hatch closes again with another simple press of a button. And then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2 with a nice full leather interior. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders, as well as a pretty big compartment which doubles as a sort of table and has even deeper storage inside, so that's nice too. And in the middle you have your rear climate controls with heated rear seats, or heated second row seats I should say. You have 2 USBs, a 110-volt power outlet, and 2 more cup holders. This vehicle does also come with a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 58,763 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can go to your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, and your controls for your left screen, where you can look at much more information, such as your digital speedometer, your four-wheel drive status, distance to empty, RPMs with oil temperature I believe, and tire pressures. You can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings in general for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with full 360 sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And you have dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, your park assist sensor shut off, your camera view again, or actually your front camera view, because this does have a forward-facing camera. But then you have your physical media controls and your physical climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And then down here you have this compartment, which opens to reveal a USB and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your terrain selector. So you have mud rut mode, you have sand mode, and you have snow grass gravel mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then in the middle of that dial you do have your hill descent assist, and then moving on to your center compartment slash armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside and does have, I believe, another USB inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking up, last but not least, you do have a twin panel moonroof up top, so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.